Hello viewers, so welcome to our maths video. So today I want us to work out this maths problem within the shortest time possible. We have 64 to the power of x minus 121 is equals to 7 minus 4 to the power of 3x. So if you know how to solve this maths problem, you can pause the video, then share with us your answers on the comment section so you can start solving it immediately. So let's begin with the solution. So here, on the solution, I want us to write it down so that we can analyze it properly. So we have 64 to the power of x minus 121, so is equals to 7 minus 4 to the power of 3x. So the first thing that you need to do is to solve the value of x. Like we want to find what is this x. Now, so when we check this maths problem, it's an advanced maths problem that has some of the exponents. Like we have the base, that is 64 to the power of x. So we need to arrange them properly. So we need to arrange the like terms together and then like terms together. So now we shall start with the 64, which is like terms, 64 to the power of x. Then we shall also have to carry this, that is 4 to the power of 3x. So when it crosses the equal sign, it shall be plus 4 to the power of 3x is equals to, so 121 and 7 are unknown. So we need to cross negative 121 to this other side. So it becomes plus 121. Then here now we shall have this 7, so plus 7 because 7 is a positive. So when you work them out together, now here shall still remain 64 to the power of x, then plus 4 to the power of 3x is equals to 121 now plus 7, which now becomes 128. Now, so from there now we move on and we convert 64, we can still break it down to the index form. And that one now we shall have 4 to the power of 3, then into bracket x, then plus 4 to the power of 3x is equals to 128. So when we simplify it, this one, we cannot simplify 128 to an index form, so we leave it the way it is. So when you work out this one, so we shall have this one as 4. So now we shall have 4, then multiply by 3 to the power of x shall be have 4 to the power of 3x, then plus again 4 to the power of 3x is equals to 128. So we have the same numbers with the same base, that is base 4 and also base 4. So we can now factorize 4 to the power of 3x plus 4 to the power of 3x. So when you factorize it, we can now say that now we shall have 4 to the power of 3x there, then into bracket 1 plus 1, then close the bracket is equals to 128. Because when we open the bracket, we shall now still head it to this other side when you open this bracket. So let's work out the number inside the bracket. Shall have 4 to the power of 3x, then here now shall have 1 plus 1, which is 2, is equals to 128. So let's work out, or let's remove these 2. So when you remove these 2, we divide both sides by 2, this side also by 2, so that now we shall have 4 to the power of 3x is equals to 64, is equals to 64. So now we can now have it this way. We can factorize or change 64 to a power form, or to a base with a power. That is the same as the one for 4. We have base 4, we have 3, which is a power. So we want to change the 64 to base 4. So when you change it, now we shall have 4 to the power of 3x. So 4 to the power of 3x, that is equals to, when you change 64 to the base, we shall have 4 to the power of 3. So now since we have the numbers that have the same base, now we shall only pick the indexes. In this case we have the 3x, and also now we have 3. So now we say now we have 3 to the power of, so we are not supposed to write 3 to the power of x. So we just say that we are going to have something like this. We shall have 3x here is equals to 3. Then now from there we found the value of x by dividing both sides by 3. So now our value of x now shall be is equals to 1. So if you worked it out properly, you should have get 1 as our correct answer. So we can still confirm the answers that we have got it right if it is truly what we expect. So let's now confirm what is in there. So on our confirmation, I want us to pick this other value here, this other side. So let's work with this. So we have 64 to the power of x. So I want us to confirm our answer by having this now. Now 64 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of 3x is equals to 128. Remember our x is 1. So meaning that now we shall have something like this. So remember we had 64, that one, to the power of x plus 4 to the power of 3x is equals to 128. So we can confirm this. So where there is x we put 1. So we have 64 to the power of 1, then plus 4 to the power of 3 multiplied by 1 is equals to 128. So when you check this here now, we shall have 64 there, because 64 to the power of 1 is 64. Then here plus now 4 to the power of 3, because 3 times 1 is 3. So 4 to the power of 3 means now we shall have 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4 again is equals to 128. Now, so let's check if this value is equals to this. Now we shall have 64 plus 4 times 4 is 16. Then 16 times 4 is 64 is equals to 128. Now this 64 plus 64 gives us 128, which is equivalent to 128. So we can confirm our answer and say that once we've confirmed, now we say that x still is equals to 1. So if you really enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give us a thumbs like, share the video so that it can reach to several people, and from there now we shall able to explain and understand the Maths Olympiad questions. These ones are Maths Olympiad questions that at least brings people problem that we need to solve them using the correct approach that we have shown. So thank you for your time. See you in our next video.